Hey guys, today I'm here with a lace wig tutorial to show you my quick, cheap way to go from this to this in under 15 minutes start to finish right out of the box. So I'm using this unit from My First Wig. It's a straight two-toned lace front. It starts off dark at the top and goes into this medium brown color. It has a 6-inch deep part line, as you can see here, and it comes with a comb on each side of the wig and one in the back, as well as an adjustable strap. But what's really cool about this wig is the pre-attached elastic band. Usually with lace wigs you have to measure your head and then sew it on yourself, but this one takes that step completely out of it. It has 3 different settings so you can get the fit that you need for it to be secure, and you can remove it or reattach it in just a second with these tabs on the side. So this definitely saves a ton of time and makes the application a lot easier, especially for a beginner. Now before I put on the wig, I'm using a stocking cap to ensure everything stays flat. I like to push it back a few inches to reveal my natural hairline, and this eliminates the need to find an exact color match for your stocking caps or to have to color it with foundation or something like that. You just use your own scalp. So that's what I like to do. And here I have the wig, and I put the elastic band on the middle setting. I lined the part in the wig up with my natural parts, and because this comes with a pre-plucked hairline, the hair around the edges is already less dense than the rest of the hair. So if you apply it this way, you don't have to do any plucking beforehand. You can just go ahead and carefully cut off the lace. And just by using the elastic band, it got the wig feeling really secure and fitted, so I only used that and the comb in the very back to attach it to my head. Once the excess lace is removed, I'm sliding the wig back just behind the start of my real hairline to allow my natural edges to show, which will help the overall style look a lot more realistic, and it will also eliminate the need to sew or glue down the perimeter of the wig. No waiting for it to dry, none of that. So the wig is in place and tightened down, and now I'm taking some water and spraying it lightly on the top, and then using a blow dryer I'm pressing that along where I sprayed, so as it dries the roots of the wig can lay as flat as possible. Next, I'm using a flat iron and I'm running it through to smooth the hair and get it nice and sleek. To help camouflage the grids in the wig, I'm dabbing on a little foundation on the parts, and then with my finger I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going in with a dark pencil to fill in the gaps and hide the line of demarcation for a seamless transition so you can't tell where my hair ends and the wig starts. And then to ensure I don't get any lifting, I'm using this Mega Hold Edge Tamer, and I'm applying just a dab of that at the edge of the wig, and then with the back of a comb I'm going to press it down so it's super flat and melts right into my scalp. Using that same edge control, I'm going to take some on my edge brush and shape my edges into place. Lastly, I'm smoothing some along the hair to get rid of any flyaways and frizz. And that's it, guys. A quick and easy installation that is truly no glue and no sew required. And it was even more of a breeze with the pre-attached elastic band. And all information and a link to this unit will be right down below in the description box. So I hope this video was helpful and that you all enjoyed, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.